So this is Moneague. This is Moneague. I already passed through Moneague town. The town of Moneague is behind me. Where I'm heading to now, in Moneague Road, this can take me down to Town, Golden Grove, Claremont, take me down to Bangle, Brownstown, all that place. Golden Grove, you go down to Golden Grove, and they take it out. It all takes you down to Sentence Bay if you choose to Sentence Bay. So, whether you travel Town or Golden Grove, either of them can take you down to Sentence Bay. It's a choice. It's your choice. Choose where you want to drive for whatever reason. So, I am on Moneague back road, and this I will be traveling down to Golden Grove, Town, drops all, and make my way out to Parish. This is just Jamaica's beauty. Jamaica bumper road beauty. So yes, it is like a bumper road. So the road is might not be the best, but the atmosphere, the ambiance is unmatched. It's the best in the Caribbean. You don't believe me? Come here, you know. I can tell you that. You travel all over the Caribbean, no. I'm traveling people from all over the Caribbean. It speaks about Jamaica, it speaks about the places in the Caribbean. You know that there's places in the Caribbean. Many places in the Caribbean don't even know what mountains look like until they come to Jamaica. They don't even know what river looks like until they come to Jamaica. Jamaica is a place of beauty. Yes. Might not be the best. Cost of living might not be the best. Some person's attitude might not be the best. Sometimes our politicians' attitude might not be the best. Yes, our politicians, they might not be the best. Yes, everywhere you go, there are different challenges. But as it relates to the atmosphere, the beauty of the place, Jamaica is the best. He is the best. As it relates to that. Trust me. You don't trust me by me now. Yes, and so enjoy the ride with me. Enjoy the ride with me. Believe me, I'm driving and I am enjoying myself. I am enjoying myself because there's nothing to be like driving. I love driving as much as so you see me driving here now and doing this video and speaking to myself, listening to such a thing. I am having a wonderful time. I am having a wonderful time by myself. God is with me. My God is always with me. My God will never leave me. He never forsake me. Even if in an accident I'm broke up, God is with me. You know. Carrying me, so yeah. When bad things happen, it does not mean that God is not there. Yes, and God is amazing. He's a wonderful God. He's a God to be served. Yes. So if you make a mistake, repent, ask forgiveness. He is faithful and willing and ready to forgive you. But confess with your tongue, though. Confess with your heart. But confess what I get wrong. Confess with my heart because I'm sorry. Yeah. So I would love to pass this truck though. Because I don't really want to go down Steer Town, Golden Grove with these huge vehicles in front of me. And the road bad sometimes, but the road, I'm not doing enough of what wonderful the road is now. Because I traveled down that road the last time and let me tell you something. I don't know if it is fair to say it's a road. I don't know if it is fair to say it's a road. But then again, it's a part of Jamaica. And of course, Jamaica surname, Bumpy Road. So, Jamaica Bumpy Road. So, go down there and it bumpy and dig up. No surprise. It's Jamaica. Jamaica surname, Jamaica Bumpy Road. Enjoy ride with me, huh? Stop pumping ball road. Rest with you. Not only me alone, the rest with you too. Yes.